Assalamu alaikum students, this is the 7th video of exercise 3.4. In this video, I will solve question number 4. Statement of question number 4 is, if a is equal to pi r square, find a when pi is equal to 22/7 and r is equal to 15. We have the relation a is equal to pi r square. Take log on both sides. We get log of a is equal to log of pi r square, which can be written as log pi plus log r square. Now putting the values, we get log 22/7 plus 2 log 15, which can be written as log 22 minus log 7 plus 2 log 15. Now substituting the values of logs, taking log, we have first value log 22 is equal to 1.3424 minus log 7 is equal to 0.8451 plus log 15 is equal to 2 into 1.1761 1.3424 minus 0.8451 plus multiply by 2, we get 2.3522. Further simplification, we get 1.3424 minus 0.8451 plus 2.3522. We get 2.8495, which is equal to log a. Now take anti-log on both sides. We get anti-log of log a is equal to anti-log 2.8495, which is equal to a is equal to shift log, we get 707.1 square units. That's all.